How to fix Facebook professional mode option not showing. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can find the Facebook professional mode option if you guys can't see it in your Facebook application. So I will open up the Facebook application over here, and over here let's look for the option which says professional mode. So over here let me just open up my profile settings, and then after that simply open up settings and privacy. And over here, if I were to open up my profile settings, then I cannot see the professional option over here. So for that, what we need to do is simply come back up, and then over here all that you guys need to do is simply report a problem to the Facebook Control Center. So for that, just simply come over to your profile, click on these three dots over here, and then after that simply copy your profile link. Now once you've copied your profile link, come back over here and then go into help and support, and then after that simply type and report a problem, and then after that just simply continue to report, and then after that just simply click on don't include in report, and then after that just simply look for the option which is the most relevant to professional. So click on others, and then over here put in your profile link and type in I can't see professional profile option. After that click on done, and then click on send, and then after that Facebook is gonna reach out to you guys, basically telling you how you guys can fix that particular problem. So guys, that is how easy it is. Be sure to like, subscribe and share. Till next time, goodbye.